Hey, this is Pastor M.R. with Faith Horizon Baptist Church with our weekend announcement. We will be having services at the building open to the public. It'll be a little bit different this week. I will be preaching from my living room, but we'll have the message up on the big screen. You'll be able to come together to pray, to sing praises, and here's what's going on. I have another job. In that job, I could have been exposed to the COVID virus. They felt like I was symptomatic, so I went in for COVID testing on Thursday, but we haven't got any results back. And so I'm under house quarantine, house arrest until Monday. But we're having a cleaning crew that will come up and sanitize the building tomorrow at 11 if you'd like to participate in that. Just be at the building at 11, be ready to clean and to sanitize the building for us. We will practice the social distancing. The chairs are still in groups of 3, 6 feet apart. And we will have a good service. We're going to continue on our sermon series, Thriving in Exile. This week we'll be in Daniel chapter 1. And we're going to talk about thriving in the new abnormal. Man, I know you're all sick of hearing, oh, the new normal, the new normal, the new normal. Well, there's nothing normal about it. It's the new abnormal. And it's change. We have a choice of fearing it, rolling with it, or not just settling for survival, but thriving in it. Daniel was a man whose entire world was turned upside down as a young man, but he thrived, was a huge success in the new abnormal. You and I can take a lesson from that example. There are things that we can do as well. So we encourage you to come out. Services will start at 11. We will go live with the message at about 11:15. And it's a work in progress, but we will do our best to make sure that everything's tested out, that you can see me, you can hear me. The most important thing is I want you to get into the Word with us and see what God has to say to us from the book of Daniel. So don't let old COVID get you down. There's no reason to sing the blues. Make it a great weekend. We hope to see you at Faith Horizon Baptist Church. We will be on Facebook Live at 11:15, and then our services will be posted to YouTube by Monday morning. And so make it a great weekend. Pray for me. Cooped up here with all these guitars, and what am I going to do? Well, I'll get ready to preach. We'll have a great Sunday, and y'all come join us.